The Click and Collect service allows you to request resources from our libraries and collect them from any of our Click and Collect locations across the campus. Simply find the resource that you wish to loan from the library catalogue, select the item, and then click Request. From here, you can choose your pickup location. Next, click Send Request and we'll do the rest. When your book is ready to collect, we'll email you to let you know that it's arrived at your chosen location. When you come to collect your items, they'll be ready on our Click and Collect shelf filed under your last name initial, first name initial, and the last 4 digits of your student number. Don't forget, you will need to issue them to your library account using our self-service machines.